Advising over whether nomination papers or declarations of candidacy filed with the Secretary of State conform with the law. The law is covered in RSA 655:47 and 48. And that statute says that the names of persons to be voted on as candidates for president and vice president at the presidential primary shall be printed on the ballots upon the filing of declarations of candidacies with the Secretary of State in the following form. And it also, in 655:48, also requires the payment of a $1,000 fee. So the question is, was the declaration of candidacy filed in this case in conformity with that statute?
Thank you for that explanation. Does any member of the commission want to make a motion?
I'll make a motion. I would move that the commission uphold the decision of Secretary of State Gardner to accept the declaration of the candidacy of Barack Obama on the ground that it is in conformity with RSA 655:47 and 48.
Is there a second?
Second.
Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Thank you.
Traitors.
Shame on you.
Shame
on all of you. Qu'est-ce que c'est que?
They don't care about the
All
Constitution.
right.
They don't care. Why don't you just rip up the Constitution and throw it out? What a bunch of frauds. You all should be accused of treason, and we'll get people to do that too.
Why did she disqualify the Egyptian in 2008? Because his biography said he was born in Egypt. And she summarily disqualified him off the ballot.
So any liar can put their name on the ballot. Is that what you're saying?
As long as you got a politician you could back on.
And they got a bunch of them here.
$1,000.
It's not over.
And the
It's
information
not
on
over.
the quorum has no relevancy.
But you ought to be ashamed. I hope you sleep good tonight.
They
You ought to
could
be
just
ashamed
say
of
black
yourself.
all over it.
Well, we could, I don't know, we could find out.
People are out of order.
You're out of order. We're out of order. We're trying to defend the United States Constitution, and you're sitting there saying a treasonous liar
What does
that doesn't even have a citizenship can go on our ballot? How dare you? You're going to face the you're going to face the citizens of Laconia? You better wear a mask.
Is that ironic?
We need to
The
get
next case is filed on 2011.
Cowards. They are cowards.
The Constitution was written by honorable men.
That's the problem.
Four honorable men. That's why there's no checks and balances for this particular situation.
You can't ask honorable men non-honorable men to enforce a constitution that's a godly constitution.
What I'm saying is, let's talk.
What are we going to do?
We'll get together.
We're going to let this go down?
Nope, we're getting
Why would
together.
you let it go down?
All right.
Talk with respect.
I really don't.
How did you, what did you learn at this today? This was
For fast track something.
Yeah, because the challenge has been made, and now it's up to us as legislators.
Hey, how about following Posey, how about Congressman Posey's bill that's in the Congress right now? And I said it's already, the language written. Joe Posey, Illinois Republican.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we move everybody this way because we have another meeting in that room, and it's too late. I have complaints about that. I have complaints because we have another meeting over there, and everybody's noisy and loud. Thank you. Thank you for moving and keep it down, please.
Okay, let us know.
Hugo Chavez.
So, you know, you're gonna meet with the speaker and see what direction.
How about Hugo Chavez?
For the bed bug committee.
Let's get $1,000.
All they need is $1,000.
Yeah, let's get I'm sorry.
I could go there with $1,000 for Hugo Chavez on the ballot.
Let's go do it. Let's go do it.
No, they'd be a couple $1,000 would be a liar.
Hey, Orly,
agree with you.
how about we put up the $1,000 and get
We
Hugo
take the oath.
Chavez on the ballot?
When we swear in the state, we take the oath to the state of New Hampshire and the US.
That's right,
Constitution.
that's right.
Both of them. So now the question is, we gotta find from the Supreme Court maybe, what we need to do in the speaker, or on the legislative part, to send over and get an opinion from the Supreme Court on their decision.
And we need to follow, yeah, that's right, okay.
So-
We need
so
to
what
get
I'm
together
saying
and do
is-
that.
No, if you read the law, it very specifically says that whatever these, whatever these gentle people
There's gotta
decide,
be appeal process.
it can't be, there
It
is
can't
none.
be. Okay, there isn't on the, maybe the residents' side, but as legislators, we should be able to get an opinion.
That's right.
And if we get enough legislators go forward with the speaker, you know, we could probably do something.
We need
You
to
guys,
raise-
not
we
for
need to
nothing,
raise
but you
the-
guys chickened out last year. You had an opportunity to pass
Wait,
legislation.
define you guys, first of all.
The
before you start
legis,
pointing-
the
don't
New
touch
Hampshire
me.
legislation.
Before you
I
start
know
pointing
exactly.
fingers,
I'm not-
okay?
I'm not-
Don't give them
All
a
right.
hard time if they're
Okay.
doing
I'm not
something
mad at you,
now.
I'm just saying.
Okay, I'm
Last
just
year, there
saying.
was legislation to have presidential candidates prove their eligibility before they get their names on the ballot. And it didn't pass.
It had a flaw in it, and that was
Don't
the
give them a
reason.
hard time.
Well, we
It's
need to
a
go
law,
from,
just-
we need to go from now.
It had a major
Talking is
flaw
done
in it,
here.
and that's
We
the
need to
reason
get
it
going
didn't
and set up
Now
a
we're
meeting
here.
and get
And
this
there's
going
a
and
new
get the
bill.
legislators
It
that are
doesn't
gonna
have
stand for
to.
this. But it's gonna be too late, country already accepted this $1,000. He's not here
We're
today.
gonna stay with the freshmen.
All right, well, then I'll
We're the
watch.
freshmen
What's
on this.
what's the bill, what's the bill number?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll find
When you
it.
start
But
counting
that's
votes,
good news.
because
I didn't know
we got
that.
the vote.
Yeah, I would hope so.
The issue was, if a person was
Right. Oh, yeah.
person was adopted,
No, but we can fast track
many
something.
states, and they sealed the records.
That's what I said, when I,
I agree with you, because we got to get shoved.
This year,
Yeah.
they found a way around.
when I put out, when I put somehow my legislative email that I sent to all reps accusing Barack Obama for treason.
And if we
Either did not get it, was ignored by everyone. Of course, I got some nasty remarks from Democrats. But yet, to get somebody to stand with me and
then,
get this treason
yeah,
complaint
because
to the
that's
Congress,
the general
I didn't have
election.
anybody. Now, whether it got
It will be
squashed
approved
somehow in
before the
emails, I
general
don't know. But
election.
I never heard from
The normal
one
way is 60
Republican
days, and
legislator
make an effective
that they would
immediately.
stand with me.
Right.
So,
And we need to do this. This is a treasonous
before
president,
June,
and he's a
and the
fraud.
election is in November. So we can
So
apply it.
we need to get going and not move it. I don't know,
Okay.
is he here today or can we go
Well,
Monday?
I don't know, he's here today, but he's in a meeting.
Okay.
At least he wasn't a while ago. But I'm gonna recommend you go talk to the secretary, you're on the schedule. When can you meet with him and look at the subject?
I can meet with him anytime. I can go right up there now.
You wanna set it up, let me know when.
Okay,
And
Yeah,
then-
Harry, me too.
okay.
Meanwhile, you get some chatter. This is the way you work the vote. You get chatter going on in the freshman, on the freshman side. Okay, and start getting, and the same thing with the HRAs. You know, you start getting chatter here going on this decision. Before you know, we have the vote
But I
to do
think we should
something.
also expose
Now,
ourselves publicly,
another
because I
possibility
think that's the only way it's
is
not
to
gonna get
keep
swept
in
under the
mind-
That's right, you gotta keep it in front of
Only
the
way it's not
meeting.
gonna get swept
Another
If they'll
possi-
print it.
Another possibility, keep in mind, now I'm talking process now, another possibility, where's Larry, probably, is to go to, after the speaker's conversation, have some prepared political rules, and what I would think, to get the Supreme Court decision, the Supreme Court to give us a opinion
Yeah.
on the Constitution, is our law constitutional, that they made their decision on.
Personally, I think our law is constitutional, they just avoided it.
Right, but see, we don't say anything about a birth certificate, but we don't say anything in our law, I don't think, about a birth certificate or. Right, the Constitution tells us
That's
that.
right, the
American citizen.
Constitution overrides
That's
anything we
why
did.
we dragged the Supreme Court into it. On a legal opinion. They have no choice. They